Updating your payment information on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Profile section. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Profile section, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Cards. Tap on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. You can add a new card or edit the details of an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the new information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the updated payment information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Revolut. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut support for assistance.